As I immerse myself in the world of entrepreneurship, I learn valuable lessons about resilience and adaptability. Each setback become an opportunity for growth, and every success fuel my passion even more. I jungle late night and early mornings, balancing work and family with grace and perseverance. Through it all, my dream shone bright like a guiding star, pushing me forward and giving me strength during my tough moments. As I stand here today, I a single mom turned successful entrepreneur. I am proof that with dedication and purpose, anything is impossible. My journey continues and I face the future with optimism and heart full of gratitude. I hope these words resonate with you and inspire you to keep chasing your dreams and encourage and determination. You are capable of achieving greatness and I believe in you wholeheartedly.